Hey, it's Marion Owen here. We did it! You and me, we rebranded the Gardener's Coach to the UpBeet Gardener. Thank you so much for your support during these past few weeks. You'll see the changes on YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and in my newsletters. So, why the UpBeet Gardener? Well, this is important. So, you deserve to have gardening experiences that are fruitful as well as inspiring. For many years, one of my goals has been to bring more fun into gardening. You know, it's a scene that can be kind of serious sometimes, don't you think? That's where the Dancing Beet logo comes in. I mean, by the way, it needs a name. I brought the little beet back to life after 30 years. Wow, 30 years ago. But hey, that's another story. And then, you know what? I think we owe it to ourselves to be authentic in everything we do. And so the Dancing Beet logo, that really resonates with me. You can look forward to new adventures and courses, and launching soon is the UpBeet Gardener community. I'm excited and so grateful to be a part of this gardening family. See you in the garden. Cheers.